Hi everyone! In today's video we are making healthy DIY fruit popsicles. Of course, the first thing you need is frozen fruit or just regular fruit. I usually buy a large amount of fruit and then I freeze them so they don't go bad, and then I use them to make smoothies and popsicles. You can throw any amount in, and I like to add some yogurt, but if you don't want to add yogurt, you can add juice. If you don't have juice, add a little bit filtered water in, and then just make sure to put them in your popsicle mold and put in the freezer. I bought these from 99-cent stores, and then I bought the Mickey and the Minnie ones from Daiso. They were $1.50 each. They were super cute. Let me show you what they look like. Alright, so they're easy to take out, but I have to admit I did not feel the Mickey one good enough, so the face did not show, but the Minnie one was perfect. And for these, they're super easy. You just pull them out, but they're not as cute, but they are the perfect size for toddlers. You can really use any fruit that you have in your freezer. In this video, I use 8 strawberries, 3 pieces of pineapple, 1 banana, and 1 cup of vanilla yogurt. However, you can literally use anything you have in your freezer. You can use applesauce, you can use, pineapple juice, orange juice, anything you like. And to be honest, sometimes I add 3 to 4 pieces of baby carrots in them just to make them eat their veggies. You know, kids this age, they don't really eat their veggies, so I add them in the popsicles, and because the strawberry and the banana is sweet enough, so they don't really notice that carrot taste. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!